Dixell Wing controller. The problem is it's not the first time the plastic here breaks. That's the set button, and then nothing touches the real button. The button actually works, but because the spacer is broken and there's no way to put back the spacer. And what I'm trying to do is I took a big pen. It's not a big, it's not a real big, it's sorry for my dirty hands. That's the upper cork, not a cork, whatever it's called, in here. And I've cut a little piece of the, tube. Then what I'm gonna do is we'll make it a little longer. Second, the tube. That's how it's supposed to work. I'm gonna work on the.
עזוב, תשעדל תגיע. דברים שדחוף, היא מגיעה עוד 10 דקות. היא אמרה לי, דיברתי איתה כשנתתי לג'ייסי, היא אמרה לי